What's going on? Hey, so I finally got the pump with the filter. It's pretty small, but I know it's gonna be a small operation, so it should be enough for the amount of fish that I'm gonna put. For sure, the pump is enough. It's a half a horsepower. Um, the filter is probably gonna be enough. Eventually, I will add more filters, but this is gonna be my bio slash solids filter. And yes, it is a sand filter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, instead of adding sand, I'm gonna add some media. There's a bunch of media. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick, but it's probably gonna be some kind of rubberish, food grade kind of media where once like a backwash, it's gonna all move. Because the sand is good for solids, like it's good to collect solids, but when it is time to like build bio, it's not good, I think. So yeah, this is gonna be it. I just installed it, just you know, to see how it looks. The If you do get this pump, just be advised. Structures are good, I guess. I mean, good enough for me. But like these are supposed to have an O-ring, right? And the way that these pipes, the connectors that they brought in, you cannot put an O-ring in there. So it does come with like basically everything you need. So it did come with a little Teflon tape, and this, I was able to just use the Teflon tape. But the O-rings, let me show you. It's right here. These little O-rings, when you put them on, they just stay outside, so you can't really use them. They don't serve a purpose, because you need to have something, and like this. I'll show you. You need to have something like this that has a lip, so the O-ring could catch on the lip, and then when you squeeze it in, or when you tie it up, the O-ring catches. But none of these have lips; they're just straight, so you cannot use the O-ring. So make sure you use the tape. Other than that, like I said, I'm just connecting everything. I haven't put the media in because I haven't received it yet. And this, of course, goes right there. You tie it up. It's pretty simple. It's a pretty cool looking little pump. It has everything you need, man. It looks just like a bead filter. I'm pretty sure. I'm more than 100% sure that it's gonna work. Actually, I'm like 99% sure that it's gonna work. And then from what I'm looking at, it doesn't take much media. So it says in the instruction says 50-pound bag. That's way too much, I think, for this. So I don't know. Let's see how much media it takes. I'm probably gonna buy like a few pounds. Just put it in there and see how it is. Let me show you real quick how my aquaponics is going. I haven't done anything extra today. Today, all I'm gonna do is do the frame. I bought the so I'm gonna do the framing. I'm just gonna put the strip out here in the outside. That way, like you don't have these, it's covering this. I'm gonna paint these. This is 1 by 2, I believe. And I'm just gonna connect it all the way around the edges, and then I'm gonna make a frame for the bottom with the same. And basically, it's gonna look like this. Let me see. I'll show you. So it's gonna be like that, right? Because the reason why I'm doing it like that is, first I have like a little like place up here, right? I don't know why, but I just it looked nice once it's all framed up. But the reason why I'm doing like this is so when I don't want to really, I'm gonna have to connect this one to the metal, but the actual, when I start like making it nice and framing the wood here, I don't want to. I want to be able to hold on to this, to the screws. So it's one on the bottom, one on top, and then just It's gonna be the whole side. That way it protects it from the sun, you know, because you don't want sun to be hitting your, it's gonna cause algae. So it's gonna protect it from the sun, both sides, right? And I'm in Arizona, so it gets really hot here. So good insulation will be good. So that wood is gonna be some good insulation. Keep the water nice and the temperature that we want it. It's gonna be, you know, around like 85 to 98 degrees, hopefully. You know, it's probably gonna hit the 100, but you know, tilapia. And I'm actually gonna start with goldfish. I'm gonna put 3 goldfish, get the system running, and then once the system is good and the goldfish are doing good, I'll spend the money on some good tilapia. So what I did now, the last thing I did is I just put these little things here to keep it up, to keep my pipes up. And I actually went and bought the wrong 3-inch, so I got to go back and buy. So this is where the pump's gonna go. So I'm just gonna put the pump here back. And thank you for watching. You know, if you like my videos, subscribe. You know, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this. And go ahead, hit that bell button, because I'm going to be uploading videos, more different ones also. After I finish this project, I'm going to work on some medical stuff so you guys can learn how to put tourniquets and stuff like that. But thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.